Morning, students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online sessions. Today, we are going to start our next chapter, data handling. Firstly, I want to tell you that what do you mean by data? Yes, data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. In the simple words, data means that gives the information in numbers. And data handling is a process of gathering, recording, presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. Suppose I'm having the different colored slips on my table and I want to count the number of slips. So for this I made a chart, colored slips and the number of the slips. As you can see, I'm having the pink slips, green slips and blue slip. So I write the names here. And now for counting, I count the number of pink slips first, that are 1 and 2. So I write the number in front of the pink slips as 2. Similarly, I want to count the number of green slips by counting 1, 2 and 3. I record that number of green slips are 3. And there is only one blue slip and I noted it up. Now from this data you can easily came to know that number of green slips are greater than pink and the blue slips. In this way, data handling makes our work easy and compatible. Now, what about if you are having a large amount of data? For this, we are having the different methods of representing the data. First one is tally marks, second is pictograph, third is bar graph, fourth one is pie chart. Now today, tally marks. Tally marks are the strokes put in order to count the number of things in a group of 5. Suppose if I am having a one object, I will put a one straight line in front of it. Suppose if I am having the two objects and I will put the two straight lines in front of it. For the 3 I will put 3 straight lines. For 4 I will put the 4 straight lines. And for if you are having the 5 objects, then you will put the 4 straight lines and one slant line as a fifth line. Now let us do one question, and my question is, Kayla and her friends bought some donuts, cupcakes and breads. Draw the tally marks to show the number of items in each kind and answer the questions. Now we have to make the tally marks of these food items by make. Now how we can do? We make one table which consists of two columns, that is bakery items and tally marks. In the bakery items we include bread, donut and cupcakes. And here we put the tally according to the bakery items. Now our first item is cupcake. So we put one straight line in front of cupcake. Second is donut. We put one straight line in front of donut. Next is bread. Again one straight line in front of bread. Then donut. We put another straight line in front of donut. Again bread. Then cupcake. Put straight line. Then donut. Then cupcake, donut, cupcake. Right? Now again in the next we are having cupcake. That is, for the fifth line we not put a straight line over here, we will put the slant line like this. Next is for donut. Again four straight lines are done, and for the fifth line we put the slant line. Next item is bread. Again one straight line for bread, then donut. Now for the sixth line we will again put one straight line. Right? Again for donut one straight line, and for bread one straight line, donut straight line, donut one straight line, and cupcake one straight line, donut. Again four lines are done. For the fifth line we put a slant line, and for bread we put a slant line. Again for donut we get one straight line, and one cupcake, it is one straight. Now we easily came to know that breads are 5 in number because this group shows that they are 5 in number, and donuts are 5, 5, 10 and 1, 11. 11 in number. Donut cupcakes are 5, 5 plus 2, 7 in number. Now let us answer some of the few questions given below. What they are asking which item is fewest in number. Now from these telemarks you easily came to know which is few or less in number. The numbers you are having 5, 11 and 7, and you know that 5 is the smallest number. So the item which is fewest in number is bread. Right? Now my next question is, how many more donuts did they buy than the cupcakes? Yes, students, this question I have to read carefully. What he is saying that how many more donuts did they buy than cupcakes? That is, he is asking how many donuts are more than the cupcakes. Yes, you know donuts are 11 and cupcakes are 7. So how more cupcake donuts are? That is, you will do 11 minus 7 and you will came to know 4 donuts are more than the cupcakes. Right? Now, third question is, which items counts more than 8? Which item counts more than 8? Who is having the number greater than 8? That is donuts. Write it down, donuts. Right? Now, how many items are there in all? Yes, you will count total. You know how to do the total. That is 5 plus 11 is 16 and 16 plus 7 is 23. So, you will write 23. Right? That's for all for today. I hope you will understood very well. Thank you and have a good day.